Today in this video we are going to show how we can get free hosting and domain for our WordPress website. So after that I will also see how we can set up WordPress on our free hosting and domain. So first of all I'm going to Google and here I am going to search here infinityfree.net and here you can see that here is infinityfree.net platform. So just open the platform and you can see that here is infinityfree.net uh, platform from where we will get our free hosting and domain plan. So just you need first register your account. So I just click on register. So here is a basic HTML page. So if I wait for a few seconds, so I'm going to refresh it. So you can see that now the page has loaded successfully. Now here you can enter your email address, or you can directly sign up with your GitHub or Google account. So I am going to enter my detail manually. So I have entered my detail, I mean my password and email. So uh, you must check the terms and conditions. So here is terms and conditions checked. Now simply register, click over register. So I'm going to not save. So here I'm going to open my Gmail for verification. So here you can see that here is infinityfree.net email. I am going to verify this email. So here you can see that we have successfully registered on infinityfree.net, and here is hosting platform of infinityfree.net. Here I am going to create account. Just close the ad if you found any ad on this platform. So here is the plans. You can choose any of, but I will use $0 plan because I am going to create get free hosting and domain. So I have chosen $0 plan. So wait for few seconds, and here you can click over subdomain section because it gives a subdomain for free. So enter your subdomain, I mean which you want. I am going to enter my domain which I want. So I have entered tech with smartness, and here is the keywords or extensions after the subdomain. So I will choose by default. So my whole subdomain will be uh, tech with smart.cstva or whatever the extension is. And after that I approve the consent and simply click on the create button. Now here you have to wait for few seconds or few minutes. So I am here to wait. Here you can see that we have successfully get got our account hosting account, and I have just click on the control panel page, and here I have to I approve the consent, and here as you I approve the consent button, so you will be redirected to this page, which is a vstart panel page. Now here I am going to Softaculous app installer tool, and here you can see that here is the WordPress option. You can see that, so we are going to install WordPress on our hosting account. As you click on install button of the WordPress, you will be redirected to this page. After that you will change your protocol, website protocol, domain protocol, HTTP to HTTPS, which is more secure, but in free plan it is not available for us. It is in paid, I think, plan. And here is the version of WordPress where you want to install. You can select, and here is I have entered my WordPress dashboard login detail. I am going to, so I have set my login detail, and after that simply go down and click on install button. So we got an error. Sometime we got this kind of error. So let us see how we can fix it. Here is the WordPress manager, and I will check this. And if I click on this arrow, you can see that here, from here we can remove our installation. So we will remove all the installation to fix, and we will install this installation again, WordPress installation again. So I have deleted older version of the WordPress that I have installed, which was not good. So if you come back, so it is uh, giving a message of wait for 20 minutes. So I have paused the video, and after that, after 20 minutes, I have again I am here on this page, and I have set my username as admin, and I am going to set my password, and after that I install. I clicked on install button. So you can see that again it is this, and you can see that again it is giving us an error, but we will fix this error. So Now I'm trying third time, sorry, and you can see that now it is okay and not showing any kind of error. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So WordPress is installed successfully on our hosting account. So I'm going to open the website. So here is our domain and default WordPress has been installed, and here is our dashboard of the website. And I'm going to close this tab. So here is the dashboard. From here we can customize or change our uh, website, this website according to our desired